Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how to apply date data validation in Microsoft Excel. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I have a very simple example with few columns: start date, end date, employee, and market. What I want to apply date validations on these two columns. So if I anything type beyond those dates, so it just give me the error. So I will select those cells and then go to data tab and then data validation option, first one, and then window will pop up from this drop down list. Select date and then it's asking me start date. Start date is click on this cell reference, press F4 to fix it, then enter. And end date, again this date, F4 to fix it, press enter and press OK. Now the date data validation have been applied. If I type any date beyond or after this date range, so it will give me the errors. For example, if I type 30 July 24, it will prompt me the error, you can't type this date. So if I type any date within this date range, so it should be fine. So this is how you can quickly apply the date data validation. So another thing is, so why I fix those cells? I fix those cells because I don't want data validation formula to go in any other cells. That's why I fixed it. And another options are input message. If you want to type some input message like manual entry, so press OK. Now, when you hover your mouse on any cell, it will show it's a manual entry. Again, the another option is you go to data validation, it's error alert. When you want when it prompt any error, it also show the error message as well. So I type in please refer to date range. So press OK. So for example, if I type 30 August, enter, now it's showing me the please refer to date range. So I should be referring to the date range for the correct input of date. So another thing is if you want to just get rid of data validation from home tab, you can see the clear. It's asking me clear formats. It will clear the formats, or if you want to get rid of everything, clear all, it will just disapply the date validation. So this is how you can use the date data validation. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.